I'll take that as a no. What up, everybody?
Today we're doing the sprinkle challenge.
Not the sprinkle challenge, you big goofball. The Pringle challenge.
No, not the. I'm not a goofball.
Yes, you are. You said sprinkle challenge.
Pringle challenge.
The Pringle challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're gonna be what?
Blindfolded.
We're gonna be blindfolded. I'm gonna blindfold you first. So we have.
Wait, Uncle Crusher.
Uncle Crusher, I'm Daddy.
Uncle Crusher. No, my mom's gonna blind you.
You want mommy to blindfold me? I'm gonna blindfold me because I can blindfold me. I'm gonna help blindfold you, and we have 8.
I have a hat on today.
And I have a hat on too. What does yours hat say?
Football Giant.
Football Giant. Our favorite team, by the way. All right, so we have 8 different flavors. We are gonna try that Dingle Mom picked out for us, and we're gonna be blindfolded, so we have no idea. We're gonna be guessing. I hope they're not nasty, all right? You want them to be good flavors or nasty flavors?
Good flavors.
Yeah, me too. I hope they're not nasty flavors. All right, let me put your blindfold on for you.
Okay.
All right, come up. All right, so. So Anthony didn't really like to tie too much. It was a little uncomfortable. So what we did was, I got him a Giants hat. We're gonna put the Giants hat over your head, over this hat. We're gonna have 2 hats on. Holy moly, we have 2 hats on. Alright, I'm gonna cover your eyes like that. So now, can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Alright, good. Leave it like that. Don't take them off. You have to leave it on the whole time so we can guess. And Daddy's gonna put the blindfold on his eyes. No looking, right? Mommy, is Anthony peeking?
A little bit.
No, cover your eyes completely. Cover your eyes completely. No peeking.
There you go, there you go.
Alright, good job. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. High five. High five. Ouch. High five. So we're both blindfolded?
Yeah.
Okay? And Mommy's gonna bring us over the first flavor Pringle. What flavor do you think it is, buddy?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see if it's a blue, because I don't know what flavors. What flavors will you mean by blue raspberry Pringles?
Yeah.
So, Mommy, drop one on our plate.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna do the first one. I wonder if these guys are gonna like it. There's one. There's another.
Okay, so let's try it. Ready? On the count of 3, we're gonna try our first flavor. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
I know that one.
What do you guys think it is?
You can go first, buddy.
Anthony, no peeking.
Cover your eyes, Anthony.
Good.
What flavor?
Strawberry banana.
What? That is definitely not strawberries and banana. My guess is gonna be salt and vinegar, because I know that flavor of vinegar.
That's right.
Was that right?
Yup.
Good job, buddy. High five me.
I eat it.
Alright. You guys getting some water?
Yeah, I already had a sip of water.
Alright.
So, we have to go to our next flavor. Anthony, make sure your eyes stay covered, okay? So we don't look, no peeking.
The next flavor is...
What?
What?
Alright.
Did you get any nasty ones, though?
Yeah, absolutely. Alright, go ahead.
Alright, count of 3, eyes covered. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Ew.
Ew.
Ugh. No, that's nasty. You like that one, Anthony? I'll take that as a no. I didn't like that flavor. Did you?
No.
Me neither. That was disgusting.
What do you guys think it was?
Oh, that's like sour. Like.
I was like coconut. Coconut sauce, berry sauce,
Coconut sauce?
Coconut sauce with berry sauce.
Oh, that's interesting.
Alright, I don't know that Pringles have made that flavor yet, buddy. I don't know if they've gone organic yet.
Mommy, I like the blue.
So, what are the guesses?
Alright,
So
he thinks it's coconut with berry sauce, but it tastes sour, like,
Sour.
it tastes like some type of pepper, like pepper juice.
Pepper
Pepper juice?
Pepper juice.
Okay, that's what you think it is?
Pepper something.
Alright. Do you guys want to know what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dill pickle.
Oh, I don't even like pickle.
I like pickle too.
You like pickle?
No.
No, I don't like pickle. Pickles are nasty.
Anthony,
Ugh.
be careful with your water, babe.
Alright, leave your water. Make sure your eyes stay covered. Eyes are covered.
Hold on, he's taking a sip of his water. Trying to wash that down.
Oh, you gotta wash it down. That's nasty.
Show all our dingle hoppers. Ooh. Alright, there you go.
Oh, that was a loud throw. What did you put in, like cement attached to these?
Yeah, duh.
Okay.
So what do you think it is?
Sauce orange. It says sauce coconut, and then it says French cheese, ale cheese, baby apple, Play-Doh.
It tastes just like this coconut right here. Anything that tastes like this coconut.
You think so?
Why do you think it tastes like this
coconuts.
coconut? This coconut looks good, but I don't think it tastes like coconut.
Wait, how do you know it looks good?
Huh?
You're blindfolded.
No, it feels good, I meant to say.
Ah.
What does this have?
No, you know what though? That one tastes like a garden herb, like those sun chips. Yeah, it tastes like those garden herb sun chips.
Alright, do you guys want to know what this flavor was?
Yeah.
Garden herb, or herb spice.
Buffalo Ranch.
That was Buffalo Ranch?
Yeah.
I like Buffalo Ranch. It didn't taste bad. I like Buffalo Ranch. Alright, next flavor.
This is it. Let's see if they can guess it.
Alright.
Alright.
Eyes covered, Anthony? Alright.
Go.
1, 2,
3.
3.
Why are you guys making such weird faces?
Wow, that's weird.
Yeah. It's good.
You like that one?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
That tastes like a barbecue.
Oh, that's good.
No, what flavor? Do you think it's barbecue, or do you think it's like a spicy, or do you think it's sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet? It kind of does have a little sweet taste to it.
All right.
I think it's like I think it's barbecue. Some
think
type
so?
of barbecue, maybe like a honey barbecue.
All right. You gonna drink some water, Anthony? All right. You guys want to know what it was?
Yeah.
Memphis barbecue.
It was barbecue, right?
Good job, guys.
Boom.
No, it's not bad.
Anthony calls Dunkin' Donuts chicken donuts.
Ah.
And I just say, I'm gonna have a pink donut, please.
That's what he always wants.
Can I have
a
a pink
donut?
Excuse me, miss. Can I have a pink donut?
All right.
That's for that pink donut. This pink frosted donut that just appeared out of nowhere in my hand.
There's another one.
Oh,
Where?
In Anthony's hand.
Open your hands. Let me see that pink donut.
Whoa.
Let the world see it, because I can't see it.
can you see it?
No, I can't
All right.
see it.
Let's
Can't
cover
see
those
anything.
eyes, Anthony.
All right, cover the eyes. Ready? Next one.
Ready? Next one. Cover your eyes.
Next one, buddy.
It's gonna be. Oh my God,
All right. So all our
Wait,
dingle
what?
hoppers know what you guys are gonna eat. Now it's time for you guys. Eyes closed, Anthony. Stop
Cover your
cheating.
eyes. No cheating, dude. Look at Daddy's eye. Daddy's eyes are covered. You gotta keep your eyes covered too.
All right.
Ready?
Go ahead.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
My dad does.
That one was good.
What do you think it is?
That was good, actually. I like that one.
That's like cheese.
That was
It looks
definitely
like
cheese.
cheese?
That is definitely cheese. I think it's like cheddar.
Okay. It is pizza.
That's pizza? Is there cheddar in pizza?
I think so.
Uh,
I don't know.
that was a good one. I like that one. You like that one though?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. That one's good. I like pizza goldfish. Finish
Close your
it?
eyes.
Alright, eyes covered? Are your eyes covered? That was a good one, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah, this is water.
Yeah. Happens to be a water. Ooh, I felt water on my leg, so my only assumption that he just spilled it all over him on the chair. Alright, we had to clean up a little bit of water that Anthony spilled. I felt it all down my leg. I thought he was peeing on me.
Alright.
Are you peeing on me, dude?
No.
Good.
Close your eyes, Anthony. No peeking.
Alright, so we have the next flavor that Dingo Mom just gave us. One.
What's wrong?
Ah, that was a little spicy.
Spicy?
That's spicy.
Oh, come on, guys. It can't be that spicy.
A little bit.
What do you think it is?
I know exactly what that is.
What is it?
It tastes like jalapeno or chipotle.
Ew. Alright, what do you think it is?
I think it was jalapeno.
Alright, Anthony, what do you think it is?
Jalapeno.
Oh, you guys
Jalapeno.
are right.
Was it jalapeno?
Yeah?
Ah, cool. Hey.
What?
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 Why what?
Ah!
Ow!
Alright, so we're down to our final two Dingle Hoppers. Alright, eyes covered.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got the next one.
What? Those ones you usually like. Didn't we have some the other day?
So this is our next flavor. And yes, we did.
We did, right?
Yup.
Should...
There's one. There's another. Alright, you guys tell me what you think.
Are you ready? Are your eyes covered?
No,
One.
they're not. Anthony,
Cover those eyes. Cover those eyes. Cover the eyes. Cover the eyes. And eyes covered?
Yeah.
Alright, one. And you already started eating, I could hear it. I don't like that one.
No? Why?
Nope. I don't like that.
What do you think it is? You didn't like it? Alright, what do you think it is?
I like
Is it sweet? Is it salty?
Not sweet. I don't like it. You know, like, you have those weird flavors, like, didn't know that, like, the Oreo video that we did, right here. This Oreo video, they had, like, all these crazy flavors. They had, like, Thin Mint, they had Fruity Pebbles. Remember that Oreo video we did, Anthony? The Oreo challenge? The Oreo challenge?
We doing the Oreo challenge?
Well, that one that we did, they had all these crazy flavors. Do they have like crazy flavors in Pringles too? Like the candy? Do they have like candy flavors or weird flavors like that or no?
I don't think so. I don't know. So
Yeah.
that last Pringle that you guys tried.
Alright, what flavor do you think it was, Anthony? What flavor do you think it was?
the Pringle was pink.
Okay. Not color. What flavor are you, big goofball?
It's I'm not a goofball.
Yes, you are.
No, you're a goofball.
No, you're a goofball.
Oh my goodness, you guys get so off track.
He called me a goofball first. You
I'm gonna tell you what it is. It was honey mustard.
really?
Yeah.
Mustard.
All
I
right.
usually like honey mustard.
Ladies and germs.
Alright, Anthony, gotta cover your eyes. Eyes covered?
Those eyes.
Eyes covered.
So this is the final Pringle.
What, Pringle? You want to fix my
Yeah. Hold on.
Let me see if I can do it myself. Let me see if I can do it. Alright. Hold it up.
Alright, so you guys all got that?
Hold on, tell me if I covered. Tell me if I did it right.
Good that.
Did I do it?
Yep.
Good. Leave it like that. Don't move it so your eyes are covered. No cheating. No cheating.
Oh, sorry, that was my bad. Here, there's another one. Leave that one there. Ooh.
All right. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
Pretty good.
Alright, so what do you guys think it is?
Tell me water.
Hold on. Maybe
Is
Daddy
it like
can
a-
share some.
Tomatillo.
Alright, Anthony, what do you think it is?
So good.
Did I make it?
Yep. Alright, Anthony, what do you think it was?
It was barbecue.
Barbecue sauce?
Okay. Bourbon what?
Alright, so what do you guys think it is?
Good.
There's like a tomatillo salsa.
So
Salsa
now
verde.
does it
Salsa
taste-
verde.
Now, does it taste different since you had that other chip that you insisted on?
It was just good. It was delicious. Was it good?
All right, ladies and germs.
I want
You guys want to know the last one?
Salsa verde. You don't have to answer. We got it. Thank you.
All right, you want to know what that was?
I just told you what it was.
No, you were incorrect.
I'm pretty sure it was correct.
It was zesty salsa.
It was salsa? I was like halfway there.
Blindfolds off, guys.
So this one, I liked. This one was okay. It's a little spicy. That one, get away from us. That one was good. Auntie liked that one better.
Yeah, this one.
That one was pretty good. I like the pizza one. Buffalo
Ew,
ribs.
that one.
Mediocre. Barbecue. Anthony liked that one.
Anthony liked this one.
Oh, the salt and vinegar ones you like. And then, ew. These are disgusting. Ah! You do it.
All right, Dingle Hoppers. So Uncle Crusher and Anthony told you their favorites. This is our least favorite one.
Yeah, dill pickle is disgusting.
All right,
That
so
one's nasty, right?
on the bottom of this video, can you comment and let us know what your favorite Pringle flavor was out of these
All right.
8?
Alright everybody, thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, and we'll check you later. Peace out everybody!
Peace out, everybody!
Clips, dude. Let's see if we can make you look like Daffy Duck from Mickey Mouse. Alright, here. Put it in. Wait, put them, hold it. Look at the camera, Look at the camera. No, look at the camera, move your hand. That was good.